It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm taking over for the day. Cause I can be what you wanna be. And I can feel but you laugh at me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. I'm losing control.
We have hit the halfway mark on my Valentine's week, and today we're doing a heart monitor. So like I normally do, I prep my eyes with the MAC paint pot in Painterly, and then I go straight into the eyeshadow. This is called Savage and it's in the Urban Decay Electric palette. I know they don't sell this palette anymore, but NYX sell one that is really close to this, so I'll link that in the description down below. So once I've placed that eyeshadow in my crease and all over my lid and blended it out, I then start to do my eyeliner. I created this eyeliner by using the Marianne Fine Glitter Dust in Crimson Pink, and I mix this in with my INGLOT Duraline to create a liquid eyeliner. I then got a small detailed brush and created a winged eyeliner. I wipe off any excess that's fallen down onto my cheeks, and then I do my base. I then go back into that eyeshadow that we used earlier and I get it on a blusher brush and I just put it over my cheekbones and then across my nose. Using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil, I then sketch out the heart monitor across my face. At the end of the heart monitor, on one side of my face, I draw a heart. Once I was happy with what I sketched out, I then go back into that eyeshadow again that I used earlier with a small brush and just go over the line. This can be messy because we're going to blend it out in a minute anyway. So like I said, we're now going to blend it out. I've got a really small fluffy brush to do this, and the reason that I do this is because I want it to glow and look like it's lit up. So this eyeshadow is the glow that's going to be around the heart monitor lines. Using a really long bristled detail brush, I go into a white face paint. The one I use is by Snazaroo, and then I just paint the heart monitor lines. The reason I use this brush is because I find it really easy to draw dead straight lines with it. But of course you can use any brush that you find easiest. I then add some more pink eyeshadow around the white lines just to make it really stand out. The lashes that I use for this look are by Tinker Beauty and they're in the style 621. I then put some mascara on my bottom eyelashes and then I put my most favourite wig on of all time. I'll let you know in a minute where I got it from, but I then put the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Gossip Girl on my lips. I then apply some pink face paint to my eyebrows so they match my wig. Recently I've been obsessed with lip gloss, and I know it's the most impractical thing, especially because I have my hair down all the time, so going out it just gets all caught up in it, but I just love the way it looks. So for this I applied the Chanel Rouge Coco Gloss in the shade 728, and this is the final look. This wig I got from eBay, and I can honestly tell you when I stand up it goes down to my knees. It is that long. So obviously I'm sitting down in this video and it is touching the floor. I'll definitely show it off properly in a future video because I have to. It's just so amazing. I love it so much. But let me know what you think about this makeup look. If you liked it, let me know by pressing the thumbs up button. I am halfway through my Valentine's look, so if this is the first one you've seen, make sure you check up on the ones that I've already done, and also hit the subscribe button if you do not want to miss any more of my Valentine's looks coming this week, because I'm going to have 8 in total. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye!